Coleman Lantern LT, exclusively at Camping World? Heck yeah, what do you say we go ahead and do this? Let's scope out some Coleman LT features. Starting inside of these awesome little travel trailers, you're gonna find every Coleman Lantern LT is gonna keep you cool because it has an air conditioning unit, and make sure that you can stay warm because it also comes with a high capacity furnace. Plug in when you need, as Coleman Lantern LTs have easy access USB outlets, USB ports where you want them, when you want them. You'll see a Coleman Lantern LT has residential grade vinyl flooring all the way throughout. In the kitchen, you're gonna find camp efficiency with a multi-burner cooktop, microwave, full extension drawer guides, and most models will even have an upgraded 10 cubic foot, 12 volt fridge. The bathrooms, they put functionality first, but most models will have a skylight in the bathroom, which, hey, you need that extra light. As far as entertainment goes, you get it in the form of an AM/FM MP3 SC auxiliary stereo, and most are gonna have Bluetooth accessibility. They'll have a DVD player and even have exterior speakers when available, which is always. How about some features on the exterior since I'm talking about it? Let's take a look. You're gonna get a power awning with LED patio lights, pass-through storage, and a diamond-etched rock guard. Exterior conveniences are gonna continue with an exterior outlet, solar power charging connection, so you can make the sun do some of that power work for you. Backup camera prep to make it a snap to install a backup camera, which you should always get. You're also gonna find a spare tire on certain models, optional on others. And slide outs, even they get in on that awning action with their own slide toppers. One last note for features while I'm talking about them, Coleman Lantern LT models are lightweight. Most do come with a power tongue jack and power stabilizer jacks, or they will have that option for you. Let's talk construction. A long life camping season after season, that's really what you need in a travel trailer that's pretty much going to be out in the elements, so you need it. Well, the Coleman Lantern LT, they're built well with great features such as roof with fiberglass insulation and Luan interior panels. The walls also have a Luan interior panel as well as R7 thermal insulation. For protection from the debris that's going to be happening outside, every Coleman Lantern LT has a diamond plate rock guard right up front. Coleman Lantern LT models have what it takes to get you out camping, especially your family. You're gonna find a lot of bunkhouse floor plans, so what do you say we start there? The entry-level single-axle Coleman Lantern LT 17B can sleep 5, has stacked twin bunks, and a unique feature, a fireplace, which is pretty sweet, right? The 18BH is a single-axle bunkhouse with double over double bunks in the back and a Murphy bed system up front. The 18BH has a 10 cubic foot fridge and can sleep up to 7. You'll get an outside kitchen as well. The 214BH is an efficient bunkhouse floor plan with stacked double bunks in the back and a centered queen bed up front. You're gonna be able to sleep up to 7 and enjoy cooking outside if you want to, because you get an outdoor kitchen. Now the 262BH, this beauty, has double over double bunks and a large living area slide out. The master bedroom comes with a pair of solid sliding doors, and you're even going to get a large entertainment space that's TV ready. The 262BH can sleep up to 8. The 274BH has double over double bunks, walk around queen bed up front, and adds a jackknife sofa to relax and watch some TV. This classic floor plan is capable of hosting 8 tired snoozers. Now, Coleman Lantern LTs do have some models dedicated to the camping couple. I didn't forget about you. So what do you say we talk about the 18FQ? You get a surprising amount of space with its larger than expected slide out, and along with the queen bed and reclining sofa is a convertible dinette to allow you to have a total of 4 tired campers. The 202RD, with room to sleep 4, has a walk-around queen bed up front. In the back, you're gonna find a jackknife sofa across from a convertible dinette for easy camp conversation. The 202RD also has that impressive 10 cubic foot fridge and a pantry. Gotta tell you, that's some awesome little RVs, and you can find the Coleman Lantern LT for you, your camping couple, or your camping family at rv.campingworld.com. And as always, happy camping.